Bonaire Enterprises 2016-2017 Enterprises Incorporated presents It's Lift to Time! This time, I'm in Bonaire Shopping Center, but there is I have nothing to do. My dad is stopping the talk. Because this means when he talks with people, with his friends, he make my tours stop. Well, this is very boring. But today I have nothing left to do here. And well, since there are a lot of people, and this is like I said about that, and the first stop, and this lift was temporarily out of service. Like I said, why to the navigator and the whole and the buttons has been replaced by just grab Titan 2. Because the shopping center is getting very modern, and this escalator is just not working. Well, this is really unfair. How can this happen in the old shopping center? Well, this escalator doesn't being worked because the works. Well, this escalator is being stopped for a while. It doesn't work. And since there's a little good stuff to do. Something to say. Well, so now he's now stopped. With the bridge of this stupid. Well, walking a long way into the way in the timer. And look at the time. Walking a long way to the Primark, and to get in the fetish into the middle of the shopping center. Walking. This also means that this shopping center is going to be cool. This doesn't do, but they're replacing the old stuff with new stuff. Because this shopping center is so old. And they wanted to replace all of the old stuff with new stuff. Well, I'm going to continue. And will it get worse? Will it get any worse? This is well, for that you have to go to the side. I'm into Primark. You continue the tour. So come into the first lift bay, which into the Primark, and they come in into the shop, and they enter the shop, and into the very end, inside. The lift bay is a eco disc. Oh, he's coming down. Oh dear. Safe as this. Oh, here it comes. Well, the stupid people have been no, but I have enough of this bullshit. Give this. Now he opens his doors. Oh well, dear. One. Dear one. Hey, excuse me. We are not getting out.
To the room.
No, because you don't have any money to buy some clothes. You don't have any money there. So we don't need any clothes of this one. So well, let's go back to the ground. No. Oh yes. Let's go back down to the ground floor. I was joking. Ha 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 ha. 0. Well, it's okay. It's S570 in the table, so he can go out now. So well, we continue in the rest of the tour. So for now, getting inside, and at the shopping center, and out at the Primark. So well, getting out. I'm back in the shopping center. Which is it? Each print. Let me think. So for now, let's continue in the rest of the tour. Each day we can do some more tours. As a matter of fact, we can do some more tours here. But how good many is this? So in fact, my tours is getting awesome. It's awesome of the lot. Now getting at the Primark and walk backwards from this side of the shopping center and went into H&M and let's get inside there, which is the shop. So previously it was very old, and this sounds cool for H&M. This style of new shop has been so best for H&M, and they do ready to them. And now the video to go because of the talking of my dad. Well, the whole H&M, and we are inside there, and into the lift there, which is a nice decent grab. Well, no. 0. No.
0.
But you don't even think about the machine and the lifts. Why they like sound. Wow, you did some crap time. Well, he will be back to 1. And now, went in out of the belief in H&M. So well, let's ride the escalators. Why not? Well, my dad don't want. What's another H&M? Well, you can not get anywhere this episode of Lift Till Time. Well, this is the first one. The first one in real life. And this is the first episode of the lift to of each lift to time in real life. There will be some episodes of each lift to time in animation and my computer. Now into another H&M and into the next lift and into the roofs. Well, Dad, skid this. He wants to go to Anthony Morato. Well, get another piece of his looking Anthony Morato went into the roofs. And now we went now to the roofs. Well, do you know what is the name of my dad's Bieber show? Lefties. He gets with lefties when the times when we go to Bonaire or shopping. So well, we go join him. Now we are in the roofs. And now into the lift. And now into the lift's bed. Which are some nice decent crabs. Oh, so what if this one's right here? What is the open? Find out. Left or right? Well, left. Let's get inside. Wow, this has got too far. Cool.
Ascensor subiendo.
You're in one. I want to take the other lift.
Ascensor abriendo.
Excuse me. This is a lift tour time. Well, Dad, we have to go back down because I wanted to take the other lift. Well, this is a conclusion of this episode of Lift Tour Time.
Planta cero.
Clear ground.
Ascensor abriendo puerta.
Let's go. Well, what's the plan? The roof's escalators went in and out of the lifts and the roofs, and now into the main lift bed. Into that one, which is another other service, which is another decent crab. Oh, hello. Yes, I'm Bonaire. But it is an awesome YouTuber. Well, he's coming now. Here it is right now. Well, he's in modern house. One. Oh, Dad, stop. Stop. You stupid jackass. You don't deserve to be a beep. We're one. Let's get back. Let's get out of here and continue to be in the part 2.